I'm so excited to share with you our latest innovation at Carestream Dental, our CS3800. We are continuing our collaboration with Studio FA Porsche with the packaging as well as the design of the scanner. So I'm so excited to tell you what comes in the box. Let's take a look. So your CS3800 wireless intraoral scanner comes with everything you need to get started. So here is your safety booklet. Here is your license activation key. And then I'm just gonna go across and show you one by one what everything is. So we mentioned it's wireless, so you've got your batteries. It comes with two, which is great to have. You definitely wanna charge these before you get started. So here's your two batteries. And here is your wonderful charging station. And then the gorgeous CS3800. Sleek, compact, lightweight. You do have a power cord in the event that these two batteries have been utilized. You're still able to scan your patient. Here is your Wi-Fi dongle and the desktop extender. It also comes with two tips, your standard tip and your side orientation tip. Here is your power adapter. And that's your CS3800.